Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and select Biometrics and Security. Then tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and choose Continue. Now remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Over here, you can turn on or off, stay on lock screen until swipe feature by tapping on the switcher over here, and when you're ready, select Done. You can also adjust all of those settings however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. When you're ready, choose Home button. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!